Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks iced sugar-free vanilla latte. So this is a drink that I get quite often. It's one of my favorites. I also got the vanilla sweet cream cold foam at the top there. And this drink's so good because it's got a nice vanilla flavor without all the added calories that some of the other iced lattes come with. So very nice if you're calorie conscious like myself, like if you're into the gym or things like that. You can get a drink that's not going to have too many calories but still have a really good taste. So this is a Trenta, I think, vanilla, sugar-free vanilla iced coffee. And I'm going to get right into this now. Oops, spilled a little. Perfect. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. I find the sugar-free vanilla does have a bit of a different taste to it compared to some other vanilla flavored drinks and the non-iced ones. So that's something to keep in mind if you're looking for something that's not going to be too artificial flavored. This does have that artificial kind of taste to it, kind of bitter in a certain sense, but it does still have the vanilla flavor and it does taste pretty good. So if you're a fan of vanilla flavored drinks and you want a lower calorie alternative, try this one out. It's pretty good. Yeah, iced sugar-free vanilla, pretty good. Most places are gonna have a sugar-free vanilla nowadays because it's a pretty popular flavor. And Starbucks, I think, is just the king of that. Or the queen, I guess. They do it perfectly. I find that the taste is better than a lot of others. Like from McDonald's, I find the sugar-free vanilla is a little bit more artificial flavored than this one. And I think that's just the nature of sugar-free drinks. Like any of those coffee mix-ins you can get, they do have that slight artificial flavor to them. So it's, I guess, something that's common with a lot of drinks, but the Starbucks one, I think, is the best. So I'll have one more sip and I'll give my final review. Yeah, that's amazing. So I'll put that in focus there. Sugar-free vanilla iced coffee or iced latte from Starbucks. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give that an 8.5 out of 10. Really good flavor, made with milk, and it's got a nice taste and consistency to it. I don't know, I'm a big fan of this drink, so definitely go try it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.